Welcome again, sir, on our today's one-to-one conversation. Till the end of our last session, we are discussing on what is your expertise area, how you nurture in your career, how you survive during the career. Because, sir, as I compile the transition of skill requirement in hospitality industry, in your time in 80s, the opportunities are quite less. At that time, vegetables and continental fruits are not being farmed in India. It is directly imported from foreign. That time, as I have a little discussion with Chef Manjit Gill from 2 years back at MDU during an international conference, he said, Diti, in our time we didn't get anything. We didn't get a red bell pepper in India. Even if the red bell pepper, we have to import from foreign. So the cost is quite higher. At that time, our consumer group is quite precise, not VIP. They all are VVIP category. And that time, definitely number of competitor will be less. At the same time, opportunities are not that much, salaries are not that much made to the expected. So, sir, how you view your career in hospitality, and in which way you tackle those situations and those challenges? Because in today's era, what I found, all my students, not my students, all about the student thinking is something like that. If we are getting some kind of a degree or masters, after that we will become manager. So if we are putting emphasis on skill, we think that practice make a man perfect, as we understood. So if that is keep survive, so how you suggest in post-pandemic crisis scenario, without practice, directly a person, a student can become a manager, because as comparison to the pre-pandemic scenario, now opportunities are less, so skill requirement is quite higher. So what should be
Okay.
your suggestion in this?
Okay. I would put it in a different perspective. By looking at the YouTube video, you can't become a chef.
Hmm.
Every day, lots of recipes are coming. You are seeing it creates interest. It gives you the basic. Okay, onion to be browned, then this paste is to be created. What are the ingredients?
Hmm.
But up to what level you cannot. So what is I'm saying, the practical is important and will happen in the presence of the instructors and guides who are guiding them one to. Yes, there is a change. Earlier, when we were a student, we were going as a blank slate, and whatever the faculty wanted or the instructor wanted, he wrote, we followed. I remember when I was a student, there was only one book, Thangam Philip. That was being referred by the teacher also, the student also. All the recipes were being taken out from there, and we were practicing those recipes.
Right.
Nowadays, so many chefs are there writing the books, so many other things are there. So, yes, but virtual visual monitoring, the situation will become like you come pre-prepared, like I'm giving you a menu in advance, or maybe I'm giving an opportunity to develop the menu,
Right.
come with the basics of it, and once you are doing as an instructor, I am guiding you for the final points of it. As very rightly said, hey, I can understand the cuts of chicken, but I cannot do virtually until unless I do it in the practical class where my teacher is guiding. This is curry cut and this is tandoor cut and this is what a different or filleting of fish. Virtually, you cannot fillet the fish. You have to do it practically in presence of the teacher. Yes, that's where I'm coming. Post COVID-19 era, the presence, the student will come prepared about the type of fish, about the skin, about this, but he has to practical, be where blank slate, and they will be with little written on it, which will become more difficult. Because when somebody is coming with a preconceived notion, so first you have to unlearn the things and then read the things. So now the teachers are going to have the tough time to teach practical aspects. That
Hmm.
is what is my view.
Thank you, sir. Very fruitful and technically it will work out. And always, as I thought, experience always says, always practice always says, stop.
Yes,
We cannot, assuming something by reading only. In hospitality, everything has to be practice. That is the key word.
very true.
Okay, sir. Let's continue with our rapid fire round. In this round, we will
Okay.
ask some questions. It will
I have only one thing to say.
very
Your
amazed.
rapid round may be little longer. Longer. I mean, my answer may be little longer if you permit me. Instead of just
Okay.
saying,
You may take it. You may take it because if we get some more ideas about why it is and how it is worked out, so it will be put impact on our student definitely.
okay,
Sir, what you like to be, a warrior or a survivor?
okay. I would like to put it in this way: struggle of existence and survival of the fittest. Right. So to prove to be fittest, you have to be a warrior.
Hmm.
A warrior cannot be without a survivor. The survivor is everywhere. But when you are fittest, you become a warrior. So I would like to be known as a warrior, and that is the philosophy of life, survival of the fittest. If you want to keep yourself at number one, you have to keep on fighting. So you become a warrior, and once you win, you have to survive all the criticism. So survivor and warrior is
Sir, in
on the
term of
same plate.
as a
So,
safe
but
term, I can
still, I'll
say
say warrior.
in safe term, if I say if warrior placed at mother's earth, then survivor will be become the derivative one.
Okay. I'll put it in a different way. A warrior is a mother sauce and a survivor of the derivatives. That's what you mean to say. No, I'll put it without कहते हैं, all the derivatives are nothing beyond the warrior. That's what I
Well,
said.
right.
So
These
basic
are the
is the warrior.
components.
And
Those are the
yes,
components
when
of a warrior.
yes, without being the warrior is the basic and survival is a skill to be fittest. That's
Sir,
what I mean. So I am a warrior.
how you thought people can remember you as an administrator, an academician, and teacher, as safe.
Uh, I have a very different take on this. I would love to be remembered as a motivator and a accessible friend who may like to shoulder, who may not share your burden, who may not able to share, but can always provide his shoulder to cry on, to carry on, and the
Right.
support. Because it is, I will, when I say administrator, it is a limited. When I am a teacher, there is a limitation in everything. But when I talk about a mentor and a friend, no age barrier, no, because the mentoring and guiding requires to the faculty as well as to the student. And when it is most important when they are not getting the job, they are struggling, they are in between the job. So they need somebody to guide them, mentor them.
Mm.
So I would love to be known as the motivator and mentor instead of only accommodation or teacher. That is what my take.
It will be a teacher then, sir. It will
Yeah,
become more
you can
motivator
say
or mentor.
teacher with a guiding and mentoring.
Right. Sir, what is your key of success as a tool you can utilize for reaching higher to the higher in your professional
Okay.
career? Hard work, parents' blessing, teamwork ability, best utilization of time.
Uh, I will say all of them, along with blessings of the Almighty, who keeps on guiding us. Because whenever I am in the stress situation, I don't know what to do.
Hmm.
Suddenly, some ideas come in the night, and then I start working on it and get out of it. So for me, it, the success is a blend of all. It is not only hard work or only team ability, because hard work doesn't work in isolation. Teamwork doesn't work in isolation. It has to be a together of all these abilities.
Hmm. Which place you, sir, like to remember throughout your life? As you haven't reached time at Kashmir, now you are placed at Kolkata. You are in a long-term period staying as an founder, principal at Banarasidas Chandiwala Institute of Hotel Management at Delhi. As you are already having a rich exposure from Nizam city. So, which one you found that more, remember place for you, and it will keep in your heart throughout your
For
life?
me, throughout my life, I'll always remember the Kashmir, because there were so many challenges, different kind of challenges, and it gave me an opportunity to see the life in a different perspective, which
Mm-hmm.
is not we could not see when we are living in a different area. There, it is a like I say a hostile situation. One, weather is second, commutation is third, communication is fourth, and distrust in you, because many a times people used to say, "आप इंडिया से कब आए हैं?" So sometimes I have to remind them, "Yeah, I'm still in India." So that's how, in that situation, when you work and gain confidence of the people, it was a challenge in which I always remember. Rather, I cherish those moments.
Sir, throughout your 35 years of professional journey, which position
Yeah.
you found that yes, this is unremembered and remarkable time for me in terms of professional exposure, in terms of personal, in terms of family, in terms of friend circle. It may be IHM principal IHM Kashmir, controller of examination at NCHM City, chef at a hotel Hyatt, general manager in Hyderabad, in principal IHM Kolkata.
Uh,
I
I
I'm not
see. As
evaluating all the places. I'm just narrating you
what
that
I said,
as a professor,
as
which place you
I,
remember.
I'm completing my 24 years as a principal only. In my total career of 24 years, I am
Hmm.
completing my 24 years as a principal. So the thing is, to be effective principal, operation was equally important,
Hmm.
because that gave me the strategic planning, confidence, team building, and when I'm doing then the students interaction every day, we learn with their youthfulness, their
Hmm.
enthusiasm. They teach me so many things. So
Hmm.
I will say I like everything, and all the because I feel, and you forget one thing, I practiced in Lucknow High Court also for 6 months.
Hmm. Hmm.
So
As a lawyer,
that also
that is also there.
so what I say, I enjoy all, but being 24 years a principal, obviously it will be more remembered. So
Hmm.
many ups and downs in there.
Sir, you nicely answered each and all component of rapid fire round, and rapid fire round is becomes an knowledge oriented round somehow, because some point of time we are creating stops. We are not assuming it will reach in that position.
Yeah.
So it is this round. I understand it is something like that. What I find out. So we are at last phase of our today's conversation, which is known as a word view. What you understand if I talk about love as a word?
Uh, Most important factor of
Hmm.
a life. Love is the most important factor of everybody's life, because when you are in love, you
Hmm.
always try to put your best foot forward,
Hmm.
impress upon the people, and to win them. So for me, love is the essential of everybody's life. It
Hmm.
gives you so many different feelings and so many learnings.
Hmm.
You learn happiness, you learn the sorrow. खुशी के आंसू और दुख के आंसू तभी फर्क समझ में आता है when you are actually in love, maybe with parents, maybe with your family, maybe with your teachers, maybe with, because I have seen all the students cry on the farewell day, those who were strangers on their welcome day. So that is the love. It comes up with the bonding.
Sir, what you found in skill? How do you explore a
Uh,
skill?
in my opinion, skill always gives the confidence. When you are able, like if I am driving a car, I
Hmm.
have a skill. My car breaks down somewhere. I get down and I can change the wheel, or I can do the some correction in the, my engine and drive. So it gives me confidence कि मैं कहीं भी drive करूँ मुझे कभी कोई problem नहीं है. So for me, skill is a confidence building measure and very important for the career growth in life. Without a skill, sometimes we may have the full theoretical knowledge, but application of the knowledge is missing without a skill.
COVID-19.
COVID-19, yes, at the passing phase, it is very depressing, but uh, for the future, it will open a new vistas and new opportunities. That's what my take. So
Family.
have patience, wait for it. Have patience. Stay safe, be at home, be safe.
Family, sir.
Family. Family is a strength. Whenever you are feeling stressed, you spend time with your loved ones, your family, you feel much and much relaxed.
Being with your
Especially
surroundings.
leisure time with the family, it gives you a different answer. So it is a support for you to grow further. They understand you better than anybody else.
I'm ideally set a word warrior, but hopefully we are quite immensely discuss about warrior in rapid fire round also. So, sir, thank you so much for your kind time and cooperation, because I
Thank
found in today's era scheduling a time to contribute something is not that much easier. Some point of time, people said that okay, you all are reaching to that position. That's why you are showing your ego and all those things. But what I found, sir, uh, if we thought to contribute, time is not a limitation. And what
totally.
I narrate from today's conversation is utilize your time by reading your biography and all. Utilize your time, do whatever is required within the consecutive time period only. Don't wait to tomorrow. Keep start learning from today and reach to your destination. And you cannot imagine, you cannot assume what God can set for you. If you are giving your wholehearted hard work, then definitely the prospect result will definitely.
I will put it. I will put one more. Always keep your mind open to adopt and absorb new ideas, which will always help you.
Yeah.
Education never hurts you. Rather, it is always a step. May not be utilized today, but in future, will support you somewhere. So, like I did law, I never thought it will be utilized. But when I became general manager, it helped me a lot to manage the personal affairs of the staff and the rules, mergers, franchise, or mercantile. So, every education gives you. So, keep your mind open. Always look for new vistas. That's what my
Thank you so much, sir, for contributing your valuable time and a huge time. Definitely, I can say. Oh, I'm planning for half an hour or 1 hour, but it will reach to 1.5 hours. And thank you so much. I don't wanted to thank you because getting time of your is that is more valuable, and hopefully this conversation will put not only the professional skill mindset to our students or future hoteliers, but definitely they will also understand how to manage these crises and convert these crises to an opportunity and reach to their destination. With these words, take you leave.
take.
Thank you. Good night, sir.